Hey guys, I'm Tony, and today we're going to take a look at a car wash from Simoniz. It is the Simoniz Wash and Wax. It's a high foaming car wash soap with carnauba wax as well. It is pH balanced, so it's completely safe on all waxes or sealant finishes. I'll be honest, I've been using this car wash for years, and must admit, I think it's highly underrated. I think it's fantastic. It produces great foam in a bucket wash, but also I'm going to test it out through the foam cannon, and we'll take a look at the results and go from there. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to pour in 3 ounces of the car wash into the bucket itself. Just before I pour it, one thing I always look at is look at the film on it. Like, this gives you an idea of how thick this one is actually. So I'm going to pour it in. Some other car soaps, actually, a lot of them feel like when they pour it, it's almost like water. We'll take a look at some of those car washes in this channel. But if you can see, look at the residue of the film. That's slowly going down on this measuring cup, and just shows again the quality of a really decent soap. All right, so that's the bucket, pretty much all set, and we're going to go ahead and set up the foam cannon. So for the foam cannon, I'm going to actually put in 4 ounces of the car wash into a 15-ounce foam cannon. So let me put that in right now. The reason I'm putting 4 is just, we can have a little bit more fun in terms of the foam cannon. You can see if we can get a little bit more foam in there. You could use 2 or 3. It's really up to you. Because it's such a great value, I mean, I paid $9.99 for a 3.8 liter bottle or 1 gallon. So really, I mean, let's face it, the amount of value you're going to have, it's not very expensive at all. And I paid that amount in Canadian dollars for that matter. So, regular price was $19.99, get it for $9.99, such an amazing value. And, even at regular price, it's still a great product. But, let's just have some fun with it here. I put 4 ounces. And again, you can see how thick this car wash is, that, even you see it's still showing blue in this clear measuring cup. So it really shows how thick this car soap really is. All right, now we are all set. The warm water, 15 ounces and 4 ounces of the car wash product. Let's roll. So as you can see, the car's fairly dirty. There was rainfall the other day, so definitely due for a wash. And here's the final result. Came out really, really great, as usual. Again, I've used this car wash for many years, and it really doesn't disappoint. It's such a fantastic car soap. It has carnauba wax in it. Again, everyone knows it's not a true wax. It'll probably last about maybe a few hours or a day. I'm being a little sarcastic, but again, it's not. A lot of people think a wash and wax is similar to applying an actual wax. It just provides a really glossy finish, but again, it doesn't last very long. You have to take care of it, whether you seal it or waxing it. Again, there's so many different steps. I won't even go there with this video, but in future videos, we'll definitely talk about paint correction and sealing and waxing your car. The car soap, really easy to use. Actually, it rinses off really easily. Again, it just provides a really great shine and gloss. And the smell of it, it smells like it's kind of a fruity scent, lime or lemon type of, I would say lemon fruity type of scent. Really great aroma, and I still smell it. So I mean, it's such a great car wash. So great bargain, great value, and really an outstanding product from Simoniz. It's their wash and wax, again with carnauba wax in it. Such a great car wash. Well, thanks again for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to this channel where you'll see everything and anything regarding auto detailing. So definitely would appreciate your support. Well, again, thanks for watching the video. May Jesus bless you. Thanks everyone, and see you in the next video.